Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix crossplay issues in Forza Horizon 5 on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Library tab. Go ahead and click on it to access your game collection. Now, I should mention that I don't actually have Forza Horizon 5 in my library list at the moment, but I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to follow. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's pretend that I have Forza Horizon 5 in my library so I can demonstrate the process clearly. Once you locate Forza Horizon 5 in your library, right-click on the game title. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, select Properties. This is where you'll find all the important settings and configuration options for your game. In the Properties window that opens, look at the left sidebar. You'll see several different tabs listed there. Click on Installed Files. This section contains all the tools you need to manage and troubleshoot your game installation files. Here's where we fix the crossplay issue. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This important feature checks your game files against Steam servers to ensure everything is properly downloaded and nothing is corrupted or missing. The verification process will scan through all your game files and automatically replace any that are damaged or incomplete. This often resolves crossplay problems because corrupted files can interfere with the game's ability to connect with players on other platforms. The verification might take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and your system's performance, so be patient while Steam does its work. Once it completes, Steam will show you a summary of what it found and fixed. And that's it. You've just verified your game files, which should resolve most crossplay issues in Forza Horizon 5. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.